Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok account through WhatsApp. If you're eager to share your favorite TikTok accounts with your friends using WhatsApp, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the account's page that you want to share. You can do this by searching for the account's username or by scrolling through your TikTok feed. Once you're on the account's page, look for the arrow icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the arrow icon, and a menu will appear with different options. From the menu, select WhatsApp. This will redirect you to the WhatsApp app if you have it installed on your device. Step 4. Once you're in WhatsApp, you can select the receivers by tapping on their names or accessing your contacts list. Choose the friends or groups with whom you want to share the TikTok account. Once you've selected the receivers, tap on the arrow button to send the TikTok account link. Thank you for watching and enjoy sharing TikTok accounts with your friends through WhatsApp.